Hi. Another component of on-page SEO is to make sure that your content aligns with search intent. What is search intent? A search intent is a goal behind search. If a user is searching for some query, they expect something from you. You should provide them that expectation. Instead, your content might derank. There are four types of search intent. First is informational intent. People are searching for something like how to, tutorials, or something else. They should get information in return. Second is navigational intent. Let's say you are having a AI website or something else that can help customers or viewers with something. Then it must be there on your website. You should not claim it falsely. Then it's a transactional intent. Let's say users are searching for headphones. Then your website, if representing headphones, must have some link to Amazon or your cart, and they must be in stock. Otherwise, it is false statement. Then it's an investigational intent. Let's say I'm searching for something that I might need, but I need to make sure that that specific thing is suitable for me. So I might be searching for reviews, unboxing, or something like that. So in that case, my content should provide the value. So the question arises how to make sure that our content is aligning with the search intent. It is very easy. First, do a proper keyword research. You might find something that people are searching for. You can use answer the public, and if you search the specific query, it will show you the questions that people are searching for. You can provide them answers. Additionally, you can check your competitors. They can help you to structure your content. So this is a short video about Google search intent. I will share details more in the later videos.